In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a high converting abandoned cart flow on Klaviyo. We'll guide you through this process in an engaging and effective way to help improve your conversions. Now let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, navigate over to the Flows tab. This is where the magic happens. Within this section, you'll need to search for abandoned cart flow. Klaviyo offers a pre-built template specifically for this purpose, but you're also welcome to start from scratch if you prefer tailoring every aspect to your liking. Either choice will work just fine. Choose what suits your style best. Next, we move on to setting up the trigger. For an abandoned cart flow, it's key to select Started Checkout as your trigger event. This ensures that the flow activates when a customer begins the checkout process but doesn't complete their purchase. Timing is crucial for maximizing conversion rates, and a best practice is to set your trigger delay to 30 to 60 minutes after the cart has been abandoned. This allows you to strike while the iron is hot, gently reminding your potential customers about their pending purchase before they lose interest or forget. Now it's time to build your email sequence. Let's kick off with email 1, which will send out 60 minutes after the cart has been abandoned. In the subject line, consider something friendly yet intriguing, like "It looks like you left something behind." The aim here is to remind them about the items they showed interest in. To sweeten the deal, if possible, include a free shipping offer. This can often be the nudge needed to encourage customers to complete their purchase. As for email 2, this one should be dispatched within 12 to 24 hours later. Here you'll craft the subject line to suggest urgency, such as "Your cart is about to expire." Within the content, clearly create a sense of haste, perhaps with a line like "Offer expires in 24 hours." This urgency can be a powerful motivator for quick action. Before we wrap up, let's discuss a few bonus tips for making the most of your 2025 abandoned cart flow. Consider using AI-powered product recommendations to show related or complementary products. Implement dynamic content blocks to adjust your messaging based on cart value or product type, making your emails more relevant. Gamification can also boost engagement, so why not add a spin the wheel discount offer in your second email? Finally, practice hyper-personalization. Nothing grabs attention more than using customer data to tailor emails like "Oh, your product is waiting for you." And there you have it, an optimized abandoned cart flow designed to engage customers and drive conversions in 2025. Remember to continually test and refine your flow to see what works best for your audience.